So, welcome to this course on geometry and arithmetic of curves over finite fields. So this course is based on some notes of lectures I gave at a masterclass in Rennes, France. And so there will be some videos that are going to come with these courses. I mean, these courses is really going to be divided into two parts. So you are going to have some videos that are going to be released right now and some videos that are going to be released later. So what about these videos? These videos are not going to replicate exactly the notes. I mean, these videos are going to be like some motivations, they are going to contain long examples or further explanations on some of the topics of the course. So you should really try to distinguish the two, and how are you going to work with this material. So the first advice I could give to you is that maybe you should print the notes of the course. Because, I mean, you are going to spend a lot of time in front of a screen, so it's much better if at some point you want to study, then you can go just and look at papers. The second thing is that I would say you could start by watching the videos. During the videos, I will make references to some of the definitions, theorems that are going to be contained in the notes. As soon as you don't understand something, you can make a pause and look inside the notes to study further. But now that what you have to realize is that you're not alone during all this course. Because each time that you don't understand something, and you have tried hard to try to understand it, you can go on the chat platform. And on the chat platform, we are there to answer your question. And by we, I mean me. I mean, as a lecturer, you can send me questions, but you can also address them to all the other fellows that are going to study the course with you. So that's something very important to remember. The other thing is that during the videos, I'm going to ask some questions. They can be easy questions, they can be a bit harder exercises. They are for you to stay active during all the course, meaning that at some point, you may fall a bit asleep. I mean, this is normal in front of a video, so I really advise you, when there is a question, to stop and try to solve it. So you become active, and that is really going to help you, like, being more awake during the whole course. At the end also, I mean, during the months that are going to, I mean, during which this course are going to take place, there will be also some interactive online sessions where we are going to gather, all of us, and we are going to solve some exercises. And by we, this time, I mean you're going to present in front of the class some chosen exercises. All right? Well, I hope you're going to enjoy this course.